Hola, y'all. Let me show you how to upload and add images into Canva. Here we go. This is just a blank presentation, but you can have a blank document or Facebook post, Instagram, social media post, whatever you want on here. Worksheet, if you're a teacher creating worksheets. First, a quick reminder on how to add an image. So if you come over here to Elements and you click on Elements, it will show you all the things that you can add to your document, to your presentation. Graphics, photos, videos, audio, frames, whatever. Type in here. I have typed in turtle because I like turtles, and all of these things come up, and the same way to add a graphic and a photo and a video are all the same things. You can either single click on it and it adds it into there, or you can click on it and drag it over. So those are some graphics that I've just included, but say I only wanted photos, I can click on photos and I will look through those and find photos that I like. Right? Kind of like this one here with a skateboard, so I can just take him right on over. But again, now he's taking up the whole entire page, so click from the corner to maintain your proportions, and you can hold that and kind of move in and it will make it smaller. So same thing, you can just grab from the corners and you can move them around wherever you want and maintain their proportions. All right, so I've kind of moved those around, but now let's say you have images that you want to upload that are yours, not the ones that are already in Canva. So come back over here to the left to the options, I guess, the toolbar on the left, and we have uploads. Click on uploads. And this will give you like a whole folder of all the things that you have uploaded already, images, videos, audio, anything that you might have. So this is a cute turtle. Again, I like turtles. This is a cute turtle I created the other day using AI image creator with Canva, and I may do a tutorial on that later. So he's a super cute little turtle with some red sunglasses. So again, I just single clicked, brought it over, or I can click on it and drag, whichever one works best for you. I prefer to just click, it's easier. But those are the ones that are there already. Let's get some in there for you. So go up here to the purple button that says upload files, and this will open up your computer where you can go to your desktop, your documents, your downloads, wherever the image is that you have saved on your computer, the folder or just the individual image. So in my downloads, I have brought up my Teachology logo. So I'm just going to single click and I could push the word open and it will go into there, or you can double click. I prefer to double click because that way I don't have to move my mouse around so much. Double click, you see it's here in this folder, and then again, I'm just going to single click and it inserts it right onto my canvas, my document, my presentation, whatever it is you have over here. So that is how you will get it in there off of your computer. But let's say it's not on your computer and you have it somewhere else. There are some other options. If you go to the little button beside the big upload files and there's three dots, click on those three dots. And these are all the files, or not files, these are all the apps or the programs that you can connect your Canva to, and then you'll be able to upload things from there. I do not have most of these, but I do have Google and I do have Facebook. So I'm going to click on Facebook. I have connected it. These are the images, which are the last ones that I uploaded to Facebook. It's been a little bit. This is actually from Easter. This is a picture of my family outside the church on Easter morning. So again, I'm dragging from the corner, but you know what? I don't want me and my family on there with all the turtles. So I add an extra page down here and I can come and I can just drag that right down there. And now it's on its own slide. And again, just to show you why it's important to drag from the corner, everything stays proportioned. If not, I could crop myself right out of here. If I just wanted a picture with just my family and not me in it, I could do that and get the square orientation here or whatever, or say I wanted to come up just a little bit because I like that look a little bit better. That is fine, and you can do that. And we all know that there's some pictures you wish you could crop somebody out of. It would be that simple. But I'm gonna put myself back in there with my family. And here is that image. And then if you come back over here, three dots again. The other one I have is my Google Drive. I have connected my Google Drive. Oops, I double clicked so it hit it. I am going to a folder that I have already, single clicking yet again, and it will insert it. It takes just a tad bit longer because it is bringing it from Google Drive. It will not put it into Canva, so you'll always have to go to Google Drive to get it. It doesn't store it in Canva. It still keeps it stored in Google Drive, but you can apply it and put it into your thing. So I'm dragging that, but you see it's the wrong orientation, so I can grab these little circles on the side and rotate it around and then continue to resize. I know it's a little crooked. Continue to resize it so that it will fit whatever. I'm just playing right now, obviously. But I put this little frame, and now I can go and click and put them both together and group. And now if I want to rotate or I want to resize, if I want to resize, it is doing both of them at the same time. So that is one way that you can be able to do the changes together, is by grouping them. So that is how you will upload your own images from your computer or from Google Drive or from Facebook if you have them there, and how to add it into your Canva. So I hope this was helpful. If you think it was, please do me a favor and like and subscribe, and come back for more tips in the future. See you on the next one.